Are you tired of being lied to and promises and empty promises after promises about making money online with artificial intelligence? Stop! This video is for you. This video is for you. Adrian Mays, co-founder of Canton SEO Change Digital Marketing. Where did it all begin? It all began and God's plan is where it began. The high-ticket affiliate marketing journey has started when I left Quicken Loans, now Rocket Mortgage, as a senior mortgage broker, loan originator, doing well, making six figures per year, but in the midst of COVID. As I remember, like it was yesterday, I was working from home, typing on my laptop, and working at the time in the underwriting department in mortgages, and them giving us the ultimatum or option, whatever you want to say, in regards to getting the COVID shot. Whether or not you're able to continue work and moving forward with your profession as a mortgage broker. And I had a billionaire plan then. I thought it was a billionaire plan, but God had a different plan. So September, God knows that is my birthday month. It's been a journey since September, but if I look back on everything that's been learned in the journey, in the building of Canton SEO Change Digital Marketing, being able to have the opportunity to show entrepreneurs how to leverage artificial intelligence, AI tools, to build their billionaire brand and have that billionaire motivation, that mindset to generate the correct audience, target the right leads with the correct content, leveraging AI tools. This is for you. Now, it's not for everyone. It could be organic or paid advertising. It doesn't matter. The content that you provide is the brand that you uphold. I know that when my family entrusted me with their lives and building a team and growth with Being the Change LLC, I hold that truth. Day in, day out, I dream nothing of success, and I do the same for you, putting in 100% of work and effort to make sure anything that our name touches, SEO can change digital marketing, will be of gold. Strategy sessions with me will be able to brainstorm with what your goals. As high-ticket affiliate marketing, email marketing, it could be artificial intelligence. It could be as a mortgage broker, tax preparer, licensed insurance broker, but my why, CCC Because We Care Foundation, the reason to bring this to the community. This little girl from Detroit, Michigan, Detroiters to protect your future. What up, though? But Canton SEO Change Digital Marketing for you. Let's go.